YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, we're on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. I cannot do that without you guys, so hit that subscribe button. Got to also remind you guys that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the homie Crypto J. So don't make any financial decisions based off this video. That would be irresponsible. And yeah, so let's check it out. Let's see kind of what's going on these charts, guys. Are you bullish or are you bearish right now on Toshi? That's what I want to know. You guys can see we're coming in at 129 million market cap. We did have a big meeting today with Trump. I think it might even still be going on. I'm not quite sure, but as you guys can see, we're just sitting in price limbo right now. Hasn't been much movement in the past 5 minutes, really within the past hour, but we do have some things that we got to pay attention to on some of these more micro really time frames. I feel like a couple time frames that I'm paying attention to right now. Definitely the 2 hour, right? We definitely want to break above the 2 again. Super important to know if we've seen a bottom already. Are we creating some kind of a wedge? Are we going to reject down still and see a retest of some lows? This candle still hasn't closed yet, so it could still close either way. Also this 1 hour candle as well, really sitting in limbo also, right? Let's pull it up right here. As you guys can see, this could either close green or it can close red. It's really just going to depend on the sentiment of Bitcoin. In my opinion, Bitcoin needs to start seeing some positive price action, or else we might see some price drop. As you guys can see, a lot of people still buying, still accumulating on this dip. So that makes me feel good about the project. I want to know about you guys though. Are you still buying and accumulating on this dip, or are you thinking that we might have another leg down? You know, we did have a downtrend forming on Bitcoin. So that's something that we have to pay attention to. Let's actually pull it up and see. Let's call me sorry. Let's pull it up and see, right? Pull up this this Bitcoin chart. As you guys can see, Bitcoin coming in at 85K right now. And seeing possibly a pump, maybe, right? We did talk about how important today and yesterday was, but are we seeing a rising wedge form here? We're breaking down off of this. Look how much volatility is playing out right now in these charts. It's absolutely insane. I don't know. I'm really curious to know what you guys think. Again, 81% of people bullish on Bitcoin right now. 19% of people thinking that Bitcoin needs to see a little bit of a retest. Interesting. This guy says BTC dominance continues to rise, often a signal of a shift in market focus. But smart money investors know that opens up a golden opportunity. I think he's talking about, but yeah, interesting. I feel like we'll definitely know something probably today. I mean, Easter's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be like Thanksgiving, dude. Like Thanksgiving was kind of nasty, and a lot of people were eating their turkey giblets, and it was just some quiet time during Thanksgiving. Everybody was kind of in their own corner and being quiet. I hope that's not gonna be how Easter's gonna be. Because again, Easter is this weekend. We don't have a market tomorrow, so today is like the close of the market. Whatever we see happen today, I feel like is going to lead us into the weekend. So if we're going to see some sell action happen, if this is a rising wedge, if we're breaking down like right now at the time of the video, then we're probably going to see some more sell off into this weekend, I would assume, because we generally just don't pump on the weekend. And so let's check out, yeah, look, the past minute, see this rising wedge right here. This is kind of nasty, right? But are we just in a manipulated market right now? Are we going to bounce off of this lower level and catch some support, or are we breaking down, right? Let's pull up some of these Kelder channels and see what's going on. The heck is going on with Bitcoin? What the? You guys can see, yikes. Right, rising wedge. You could see how we rejected off of this right here, and now we're starting to break down on Bitcoin. Fell below this bottom Kelder channel, but we did catch. But interesting. I mean, we did fall out we did break down technically, right? We broke support. That's why, again, we broke underneath this Kelder channel because we're breaking support here. And so I want to know, do you guys think that this trend is turning around, or do you think that, again, this is just manipulated? As you guys can see, it's been very, very manipulated. Look at the past 30 minutes. It's been insane, dude. 30-minute chart is looking bananas. This is just, what is this, bro? This is just such price manipulation. It's not even funny. You can't even, like, how is this real price action, bro? This is not even what real price action looks like. That looks ridiculous. Like, man, this is exactly, in my opinion, this is how accumulation zones look like, because these guys are jacking around the price intentionally. And again, yeah, can we break down? We could, right? We talked about the rising wedge that we created here on the 12th. And, you know, we haven't been able to really get above that level, right? We talked about how important it is for us to break above this. Really, we got to break above 88. We got to really break above like 88, 89. But we got to get up to at least 86, man. Otherwise, we're not even almost out to the woods yet. But in my opinion, it could it could still go. I guess it could still go either way, right? Because on the 3 hour, we're still flowing within the Keltner channel. And some of these more macros, we're still going kind of fine too, right? The 4 hour not looking bad. 4 hours looking like we actually might see a test of some of these ranges if we're not going to break down, right? We just got to, again, break out of some of these key zones right here, because we are not out of the woods yet. We're still in a downtrend on some of these more macro charts. So just something that I'm paying attention to. Again, the weekly looking pretty good, looking like we might see a retest on the weekly. Interesting. But if we break down, that's going to be a big deal, guys. If we break up, it'll be a big deal. And if we break down, it'll be a big deal. So this is pretty much going to determine, I feel like, May. Like, I feel like this week is going to determine May. I feel like. Maybe I'm wrong. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.